Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be comparing the Face ID unlock speed test between the Poco F2 Pro, which is a premium end smartphone, versus the Realme X device. So this is a mid-range segment phone which I am using for the past 1 year. So recently I got hands-on with the Poco F2 Pro, and definitely I'm trying testing each and every aspect of this phone. And meanwhile, I came across this Face ID unlocking feature, and both the phones, they do have the pop-up camera on the top, as you can see friends. And Realme X is so far the best and fastest Face ID unlock pop-up camera phone I have ever had. And definitely let's see in this video whether the Realme X beats the Poco F2 Pro or not. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and I'll always do check the links in description for wallpapers, exactly what I'm using in all of my smartphones and phone related playlist as well. So you can find plenty of useful links in description regarding the playlist. So let's get started with the Face ID unlocking feature, which is present in both of the smartphones. So one thing to be clear is that even after using 1 year with the Realme X smartphone, but still the features, when you compare with other smartphones, they do have very good advanced features which are already there from past 1 year, which I am using. So in this video, I'll be trying to explain you what are the features which I like in the Realme X even till now after 1 year of usage. So first let me try to unlock both the devices. So in the Realme X, when you press the power button, you can automatically unlock using the Face ID. So whereas in the Poco F2 Pro, it doesn't work the way it is. So you need to swipe upside to make the Face ID to scan, as you can see friends. So this is what my problem is for the past 1 year. All the Redmi, like Redmi K20 Pro and other MI phones, they do have this kind of not advanced feature, where in the Realme X, it's very good and convenient. When you press the power button, it definitely unlocks very faster. But in Poco F2 Pro, you need to do second step for unlocking. So let me compare the speed side by side so you can understand clearly. So let me keep the screen turned on in the Poco F2, and let me press the power button at the same time. So let's see which phone will unlock faster. As you can see friends, the Realme X unlocked a little bit faster than the Poco F2 Pro device, as you can see clearly. So these are difference. You can see the wallpaper here first, then the settings here. So try to observe very close, as you can see. So let me try to change. So now, so let me try to compare again friends, as you can see. So overall in this test, the Face ID unlocking is very much faster in the Realme X smartphone, even when you compare with the high-end premium smartphone Poco F2 Pro device. So definitely in case of Face ID unlocking, this is so far the best I've ever tested. Even when I compare with the other phones as well, this phone has got plenty of new features which got installed here. So there's also option for not recognizing when the eyes are closed. That's another good advantage. Even you can increase the brightness as well under the dark conditions. You can easily unlock in the darkness, even with when the screen brightness increases. So you can use also the Face ID for the unlocking applications also. So overall, this is a pretty good feature which are present in the Realme X smartphone, and this is the best comparison side by side with the mid-range segment to the high-end segment from the Poco. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So that's it for this video friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.